Are you still struggling to find winning products or scale your Amazon business? Then you're going to want to watch this because today I'm breaking down SmartScout and how you can get 25% off using my exclusive link. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll give you a quick SmartScout review, show you why it's one of the most powerful tools for Amazon sellers right now, and how you can unlock a 25% discount automatically through my link in the description. Let's be honest. Amazon product research is getting harder every day. Too much competition, saturated products, and confusing data. Most tools just don't give you the clarity you actually need to make smart decisions. That's exactly where SmartScout stands out. SmartScout is designed specifically for serious Amazon sellers who want real data, real insights, and real results. One of the best features is its brand analysis. You can literally see what top brands are doing, what products are making money, and where the opportunities are. It also has an incredible seller map that lets you track competitors and understand their strategies. Plus, the product research tools are super detailed, helping you find profitable niches faster than ever. And the best part? It's very easy to use, even if you're not super experienced. The dashboard is clean, the data is clear, and everything is built to help you grow your business efficiently. Now let's talk about the deal. If you use my link in the description, you'll get an exclusive 25% off automatically. You don't need to manually enter anything. The coupon code is already applied for you when you sign up. And if you're serious about scaling your Amazon business, I highly recommend going for the business plan. It unlocks the full power of SmartScout, giving you deeper insights, more data access, and a real competitive advantage. Honestly, if you want to take Amazon selling seriously, this tool is a game changer. It saves time, reduces guesswork, and helps you make smarter decisions. So don't miss out. Click the link in the description, grab your 25% discount, and start using SmartScout to grow your Amazon business today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.